Hey, my beautiful superstars, I am back with yet another look. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to welcome you here. Hopefully it'll be for a long time and not for a short stay. And you will subscribe to my channel. Today is going to be a look based on this little palette that I had picked up just recently. I don't know why I didn't pick this up sooner, but I love the colors in this palette. This is the Colourpop High Tide palette. And it is filled with beautiful teals, blues, different sea greens. They just remind you of colors of the sea. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, complete with rhinestones, the whole nine, I got a little fancy today. Hopefully you guys will like it. Just keep on watching and check this out. As you can see, I took the liberty of doing my brows off camera. And right now I'm getting ready to prep my eyes with my eyeshadow base from Juvia's Place in shade number 2. I'm going into this very pretty Colourpop palette called High Tide, and the first color that I'm going to pick up is the shade Currents, which is a beautiful like light seafoam green shadow, and I'm going to apply this into my transitional area. I'm packing the color on first, and then after that I blend out the edges. It's a very light color, so you have to be sure that you put on more than one layer if you want to intensify the color. This next shade that I'm picking up is called Urchin. It's so pretty. It's like a darker seafoam green type of color. Just a really darker color than the previous color that I just put on, and I'm going to blend that into Currents. Now I'm picking up the color Free Floating. This shade is gorgeous. It's really, really beautiful. It's shimmery. It looks aquatic. And I applied this all over my lid area. I decided to use my MAC Fix Plus spray so that I can kind of dampen the color because it is a little powdery. But once you dampen the color and you apply it to the eyes, it goes on smooth like butter. And it's so much more shimmery and it's gorgeous. This color that I'm picking up is the darker shade in the palette, and this one is called Lunar. I'm applying this to the outer third of my eye. And if you notice, I take it into a crescent shape and bring it down into my lash line, as well as up into my crease halfway through the lid. And then after I get the desired intensity of color that I want, then I blend out the edges. But I keep it really tight in that area because that's where I want the color to remain. And then I also blend it into Free Floating, which is the lid color on my lids. Once again, I'm picking up the shade Free Floating, and I'm going to apply this to my inner tear ducts after I dampen this color once again with my MAC Fix Plus, and I also bring it into the lid. Now I'm picking up this gorgeous, gorgeous light color. It's called Just a Splash. I decided to use this as my highlight color on my lids. It does have a little iridescence to it. It's like a light sparkle of like silver glitter in it, so it's really, really pretty. But I just wanted to keep with the colors in this palette and not use any other highlighter colors, so I definitely applied this to my brow bone, and it turned out pretty. This is another standout color in this palette. It's called New Wave. And I applied this along the outer third of my lower lash line, and I brought it midway through to connect with, I believe it was Free Floating that I put on the inner tear ducts, or on the lower lash line, my bad. Now I'm going to go in with my Essence Superfine Eyeliner Liquid Pen in black, and I'm going to do a short wing on my upper lid, And then I decided to put a small skinny line beneath that so it can look like a double wing right up underneath my initial winged line. I'm picking up this color right here, dead center in the middle of the palette, called Must See. And I'm using an angle brush, which I'm going to wet down with my MAC Fix Plus so that I can apply this shadow between the two wing lines on the end of my eyes. I decided to get a little fancy, and I just wanted to do something extra on my eyes to kind of make them pop. So I'm using my Duo brush on adhesive, and I'm just randomly applying little dots on the outer third of my eyelids. And I'm just going to place some Swarovski crystals in AB and Kelly Green on top of those. I'm applying my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara in black to coat my lashes as well as my lower lashes. I said I wasn't going to do this, but as you can see, I'm going to use the footage anyway. But I'm just giving you a brief summary of what I used on my face. I started off with my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, followed by my Becca Foundation, and then I used a new concealer by Essence called Camouflage Concealer under my eyes, followed by me setting everything with my Maybelline Fit Me powder as well as my Black Radiance Honeymoon loose powder to set my foundation. And then I went into an oldie but goodie. This one is my Black Radiance contour palette that I use to contour my face with. I decided to pull out a throwback. I thought this was perfect in keeping with the theme of the look. This is MAC's See Me, Hear Me Blush from their Aquatic collection, followed up by me using the Turn Up the Light Deep Complexion highlighter from Too Faced to highlight my face. Now for the lips, I decided to use my NYX Suede lip liner in Downtown Beauty to outline my lips. And to fill my lips in, my color of choice was my Too Faced Lady Bold lipstick in the shade I'm Thriving. And then I topped that off with my Stila lip gloss in Casual Friday. And there you have it, guys. A look that I decided to turn into a tutorial before I was on my way out the door. I hope you guys like it. If you do, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I will check in with all you superstars later. I love you. Bye. Mwah.